Jono, dude, just leave it alone. Just leave it alone. Just.
Northeastern Clark County in southern Nevada until 4:30 p.m. Pacific Standard Time and 3:41 p.m. Pacific Standard Time. Doppler radar indicated a severe thunderstorm capable of producing damaging winds in excess of 60 miles per hour. This storm was located 9 miles north of Colville at A Campground, or 13 miles northeast of Las Vegas Bay, and moving northeast at 35 miles per hour. Locations impacted include OVERTON, MOAPA Valley, OVERTON Beach, Valley of Fire, Logandale, Echo Valley, and Echo Valley Campground. This storm will produce high winds which can bring down trees and power lines and cause blowing dust. Also, lightning can kill. Take cover in a sturdy building and stay away from windows until the storm passes. Report severe weather to the Las Vegas National Weather Service via Facebook or Twitter.
Wow.
But go on
better than those other two movies, but
Hold on. You want to
I
go
could
to?
not make it.
Winter storm warning remains.
That's still
The thing doesn't beep.
Time or 5 p.m. Mountain Standard
I think I have to like fix it or something because the thing doesn't beep.
The next question he chose to read
What do you mean?
was,
Oh.
where would you like to travel? And the other kids had said, Australia, Japan, Paris. And I said,
Okay.
wherever a book takes me.
The Weather Channel is giving me alerts through my laptop. So, you got that. So, let's go ahead and check out the TV version. BuzzFeed. I'm watching BuzzFeed. Leave it alone.
Oh, it's actually called BuzzFeed.
Yeah, leave it alone. Just keep an eye on it unless we got other alerts.
Okay then.
But until then, just leave it alone. Just look at it, don't touch it. What's that? Okay. First time in a while that we've got one of these. Trying to keep it down because my mom's sleeping. Come on, fast forward. Alright. Get that for now. Okay, so we've got our sources. So if you're one of those people who live in Las Vegas, one of my subscribers actually lives in Las Vegas and catches the EAS alerts. Giovanni F 2007. Go ahead and subscribe to him. So if you guys didn't see already, I got this about a month ago. So I could get like all the sources. Go ahead and put this on real quick. And for your guys' information, I've officially lost the usual camcorder that I record with. If you guys are very long subscribers and you know what I'm talking about, I'm not going to be using my iPhone to record. So I got the sources right here. We've got
And you will be remembered
88.9 KNPR.
for the rest of their life.
Then we've got
He ended up giving up the gavel here a
KDWN
few months ago.
720 and WXL 36.
Northwest after midnight. Gusts up to 45.
But I'm just gonna keep it on
That
FM
was Colin Ryan.
just because it's got better frequency. So And this is not, I don't think this is one of the weather radio that beeps whenever you get an alert, because we just got an alert and the thing hasn't beeped. I need to figure out what this button is for. If anybody has this no weather radio and knows what this button is for, please put it in the comments, because I need to know. Either that or I need to call Radio Shack. But that was the first one. I actually did not expect to see thunderstorms in the forecast, but there were. So anyways, and hold on. Yeah, so so we're just going to be waiting for some more. There was no thunderstorms in the forecast. And I think this thing is wrong, but officially it's right. I know it's not oh, there it is. It's not 69.6 degrees right now. Say it's about in the 50 to 55 degrees in Fahrenheit. We just got a struck a thunder cell. We're gonna check back to you if we get any more, but this is like my first alert for 2016. Anyways, thank you guys for watching, and until then, peace.